Well, our third speaker in this session is Mr. Thierry Le Henaf, the chairman and CEO of the Arkema Group. And this is a position that Mr. Le Henaf has held since 2006 when Arkema was formed as a spin-off from Francis Total. And previous to that, Mr. Le Henaf held a number of positions with the French conglomerate. Monsieur Le Henaf is also a distinguished recipient of the Chevalier de l'Ordre National du Mérite. So please join me in welcoming him to the podium. Thank you.
Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Thank you for this very positive introduction. I feel really honored to have been invited as a speaker to the 10th anniversary of the GPCA Forum. When the GPCA invited me to address this distinguished audience in order to share with you what achievements Arkema has realized in a world which is really changing quickly and is increasingly challenging, but which, on the other hand, opens up many new opportunities, I agreed immediately. I have always been amazed by the development of this region. The growth of the Middle East chemical industry has been outstanding for several decades now. And I have always thought that Arkema's presence in the region, despite many long-standing relations, was still, compared to our global size, too modest, and that we could certainly do more in the near future. Besides the ever-increasing volatility of the world, the slowdown in emerging countries, the emergence of shale gas in the US by fracking, the recent and significant drop in the oil price are certainly challenges for the Middle East countries. Clearly, the poor oil economy has an impact on the region's own economy. Let me now present our group in a few words. Arkema is a global leader in specialty chemicals and innovative materials. As it was said, we spun off from Total 10 years ago. Our headquarters are located in Paris, but our presence, often including an industrial footprint, is a truly global one in over 50 countries. In a world which has been changing at an incredible pace, the group has been steadily growing and getting stronger since it was created. 15% of our employees work in R&D, which shows the strong emphasis of the group on innovation and technology. We have focused our industrial footprint on just 9 product lines, organized into 3 business segments in which we have developed strong leadership position. The common ground between the 3 segments consists of strong partnership with our customers. Coating solution and industrial specialties are more process technology driven. High-performance materials, which is becoming more and more important within Arkema, relies more on product innovation and branding. Arkema products ensure indispensable improvements in daily life, used in packaging, cosmetics, paints, smartphones. Our brands are synonymous with performance. One of our polymers, Pebax, is built into the shoes of the world's finest athletes, scoring goals at the last Soccer World Cup or breaking speed records on the feet of top sprinters at the Olympic Games. Some of our products are breaking longevity records, such as the Kynar 500, which is introduced into metal coatings 50 years ago, and that you can find in some of the high tower in Middle East over here. Kynar fluoropolymers improve water treatment processes, protect solar panels, or improve lithium battery efficiency. Last and not least, Bostik adhesives bring smart and high-value solutions in transportation, hygiene, or consumer market. Over the past 10 years, the world has changed at an incredible pace. The so-called emerging countries, notably Brazil, China, have seen significant slowdown of their growth momentum, impacting the worldwide GDP. As you well know, the world of energy has changed in a quick and significant way with the emergence of shale gas and shale oil in the US by fracking and the huge drop in oil price. Last but not least, most currencies have become increasingly volatile, changing the competitive balance between countries. In short, the world has become increasingly competitive and challenging over the past years. Moreover, during the past 10 years, we focused on sustainable development, and the fight against global warming have developed increasing awareness among stakeholders, including politicians and populations. As a matter of fact, the evolution of the world, and this is a paradox, is not without opportunities. Over the same period, the size of Arkema, so the last 10 years, the size of Arkema has increased by 50%. Its market cap and profitability has been multiplied by nearly 3. This means that such a change in this environment is not all bad if we are able to catch the opportunities it creates. Our response to these challenges has been of a varying nature. We can summarize it in a few words: innovation, balanced geographical footprint, and portfolio change. The strategy has been supported by some major projects which certainly illustrate our know-how well. In 10 years, we have completed 12 acquisitions. 40% of Arkema's current portfolio are new activities. Our entrepreneurial mindset, our agility have certainly helped in this. Our acquisition strategy has been focusing on shifting our profile from more commoditized product to specialty chemical business. A good illustration of this strategy has been the disposal of our chlorine and PVC business. It was in 2011, and the recent acquisition of Bostik, a worldwide leader in specialty adhesives. Over the same period, we have adjusted our geographical footprint, which was initially based mainly in Europe and US, doubling our presence in more emerging countries. For example, we have recently started up in Malaysia a new plant in Thiochemicals. This industrial complex, which cost more than 200 million euros, has confirmed our company's ability to manage big projects in the regions. Another core element of our strategy, not surprisingly, is innovation. Last week, we were ranked by Thomson Reuters among the top 100 most innovative companies in the world for the 5th year in a row. We have defined 5 technology platforms: new energies and energy efficiency with solutions which are based on our fluoropolymers range in the solar, the cool roofing, painting, the battery segments, and using molecular sieves or oil additives which bring better cost or performance to our oil and gas customers. Biomaterial, supported by our castor oil-based polyamide 11, which is one of the most performing high-value polymers in the world. Fluoropolymer films and formulation for consumer electric appliances. Again, fluoropolymer films to manufacture membranes for water filtration and co-extruded pipe for potable water adduction. And then composite for weight reduction. We recently introduced on the market a completely new product, the PEKK, which is a polyether ketone, which offers exceptional resistance to extreme conditions like those in aerospace or oil production. And it has been driven by the need for lighter material, and it has the same performance as metal components, but with half the weight. These technology platforms are driving innovation in several end markets that could present opportunities of cooperation in the Middle East region, to develop new business for future investment or to adapt our product to local specificities. I would mention refrigeration, air conditioning, oil and gas, water treatment, energy efficiency, construction and mobility, and smart adhesive solution. Our commitment to the Middle East region is strong. With solid commercial ties, although still too limited industrial presence, we started up a plant in Saudi Arabia with a Saudi partner in summer 2015 to produce oilfield additives. We have underway a strategic project to build an organic peroxide plant in Jubal 2 industrial city to serve our petrochemical partners with the support of the Royal Commission and SAGIA that we both thank. And we are certainly open to other partnerships. The Arkema vision is to build on the upstream strengths of our partners, countries or companies to leverage our strong downstream technologies. This strategy has worked successfully in new geographies and has translated into investment and job creation. We are fully aware of the challenge of the region with today's lower oil price. We are also aware of the ambition of the chemical industry here to develop more downstream and more specialty activities. This diversification in downstream activities, it's a natural way to reduce the dependence of the local economy on energy price. On the other hand, the competitive advantages of the region are many, even beyond the access to a low energy cost. I will mention the youth of the population, its dynamism, its adaptability, the increasingly skilled workforce, often with international backgrounds, are key strengths. We are not anymore in a world where, to use a powerful image, we could just polish the stone and only copy what we were doing in the past. We have to think different to move to new opportunities. I hope I've given you some material to think about, and I would like to thank you very much for your attention. Thank you.